let it warm up. So I use the bench knife to cut the dough. It's just right. You can see I don't worry about exact shapes. Hello, I'm Liz, and this is the road home. Today it's a cool rainy day here in Northwest Montana, and I'm making my sourdough crackers. So yesterday afternoon, I mixed up this cracker dough. I like to mix it up the day before and then let it warm up. So we'll cover this up so it doesn't dry out. So my cracker tools are, first of all, a pasta roller. This is for a little salt on the top. We'll put olive oil in here, and the crackers get brushed with olive oil. This I use to cut the dough. I bake on these baking sheets with a silk pad, and pastry roller is used to score the crackers. This does not cut through, and so it does not damage the sill pad. So I use the bench knife to cut the dough into pieces that are manageable in the pasta roller. Just like making pasta, I start out on 0. And I found that going up to the setting 4 is just right for the way I like the crackers. You can see I don't worry about exact shapes. A light brush with olive oil. And just a little bit of crushed salt. It's a sea salt, and this is what I have is a flake, which is why I'm crushing it. And now these go into the oven. I start checking them at 10 minutes. This is the first batch. You can see they're just barely starting to brown. And you can see they are crisp enough to fall apart. But I typically let them sit there for a little bit and cool. They will crisp even further. The second batch is in the oven, and we'll continue on. This is the second batch out, and you can see some of them got a little more brown than others, but that's not too brown. They'll be fine. It's somewhat of a time-intensive process. If you value your time, this is not a cost saver at all. It's a couple hours and change every time I make a large batch like this. So not too bad for a Sunday morning bake on a rainy day. Good supply of crackers and a loaf of whole wheat sourdough bread.